Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be creating a landing page in Canva. This is very important and very useful if you are just beginning with UI UX and want to create something. So we will be taking a topic and a theme to create a landing page. So you can take any topic and any theme for your practice, but for today we will be taking watch as a topic, and the theme will be luxury. Theme can be anything like horror theme or fun theme or anything sort of like. So we will be doing this in Canva. So let's get started. So first I have already uploaded some images for my landing pages. I have took these images from Pinterest or internet. You can also do the same. Next I have used the background color as light gray. You can note down the code if you want. So let's begin. First we will make our hero section. So I want this image, yes, and I will fit it अच्छे से logo menu. So for that I will use lines. So I'll go to my tools, I'll select line, yes, and I will make this small, thoda chota, yes, and I will duplicate it twice so that I get 3 lines. Then I'll move them so that they look like a hamburger menu, and then I will group them together. Then I'll give a color white, yes, we got it, and I will move them to my heroes section. Why did we change our color is because black is not visible on this background, so we used it. Yes. Next we will give some name for our brand. Let's say elegance. So for that we will use a text box, add a text box. We will write elegance, increase the size, place it over here. Of course again this is also not visible, so we will change its color to white. Yes, so it's almost done. So next we will create a button. For that I'll go to text, I'll add a text box, I will write explore. Yes, and I'll increase its size thoda. This is good to go, but now I want to create a border around this. So what I'll do is I'll go to elements, I'll go to shapes, I'll use rectangle. I can even use this as well. Yes, let's try. It already has some rounded curves, so I'll go to the colors. I don't want any color, but I want border, so I'll use this border. Yes, we are good to go. And बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा गाड़ी का आवाज़ आ रहा है. I'm so sorry guys. And I will make this in the center. I'll try to keep it in the center. Also I'll decrease its size, and I want more rounded curves, so I can do it. I can even slide it whatever I want, but I don't want any slide, so 4 is okay. This is fine, great. I can group this together as well. I'll group it and I'll give it here, but now I want different color, so use white. Then even explore, I want different color, so I'll go with white, and we have created our button. Now I will decrease its size also. I can increase its size also. Yes, that's it. To make things fast, I have already written some text which I want the people to see on my hero section, and I have written two type of fonts, which there one is bigger and the other one is smaller. So why is this big, why is this small, we'll also talk about that. First I'll arrange it, and I'll select this, I'll arrange it. I'll also make sure about my margin, and yes, next this is already kind of arranged, so okay, done. And why have we written this bigger, why can't this also be bigger? Because I want the users to read this first, this, and not this first. This is kind of कैसे बोल सकते हैं, मतलब एक मोटो होता है ना ब्रांड का, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. सो या इट्स लाइक दैट. is done. Again हम इसमें और छोटे मोटे चेंजेस कर सकते हैं regarding the font size and everything, but let's go into the next section. So for the next section I want men and women, men's के watches and women's के watches. So for that I'll use an image, and I've already uploaded it. I'll use this, and I'll just click on it ताकि I don't get very big also. And this, yes, this is good. Next I have the aligning thing which I'll be doing. I want rounded curves, so I'll give rounded curves of 72. Same with this, rounded curves 72. Done. Next I will decrease its size. I'll decrease this size. But watch दिखना चाहिए guys, watch दिखना चाहिए, because हमारा watch का brand है. So our main aim is to represent the watch. So this might take some time, but it is very important to notice this changes and keep in mind about what you are doing and for what you are doing. Next I'll write some font over here. I'll take a text box, I'll write men, everything in capital. I'll increase the size. कितना size लूँ मैं? 40. Okay, color again white. My font size did not change. Why is that happening? Because लिया ही नहीं मैंने. Wow. Done. So अभी मैं इसको इधर रख दूँगी, and now again I'll duplicate it. I'll take this here. I'll write here woman. Again I'll move this here. Exactly. I think if we'll increase its size, it will look more good. So let's take it 34. Yes. And this is also done. This section is also done. Moving on to the next section. So what we'll do about next section is we'll create a section for the newest watch. So if you have observed any website, you can see that latest वाला collection जो रहता है वो एकदम आगे रहता है और फ्रंट पेज पे ही रहता है, सो दैट यूज़र्स को पता चले, कस्टमर्स को पता चले कि हाँ लेटेस्ट चीज़ क्या आई है मार्केट में. सो फॉर दैट we will do that first. I'll go to, I want a rectangle. I'll use a shape and I want it black. So yes, why I have chosen black, उसके पीछे भी एक कारण है, because I have taken the theme as luxury. We are making watch for luxury, like luxury is the theme. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. अगर फ़न होता तो मैं शायद पिंक लेती, येलो लेती, ऐसा कुछ कलर लेती, बट बिकॉज इट इज़ लग्जरी और लग्जरी वाला लुक फील देना चाहिए, दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग द कलर एज ब्लैक. नेक्स्ट आई विल यूज़ एन इमेज टू गिव, यस ये इमेज आ गया है मेरा इधर, एंड आई विल एडजस्ट दिस इमेज, दिस फ्रेम. वॉच दिखना चाहिए गाइस, वॉच दिखना चाहिए. यस, बट आई डोंट वांट टू crop the image so much also. Yes, this looks great. Next we will give the name for the newest collection. Let's create a text box and I want the name to be as New King Series. Again we have to change the font color obviously because it is not visible, right? Yes, and we will increase its size to 30. Done. हमारी न्यू किंग सीरीज दिख रही है एंड गिविंग अस अ लक्जरी लुक ऑल्सो. अभी हम इधर एक फैंसी सा कोटेशन डालेंगे. मैंने एक कोटेशन पहले से ही इंटरनेट से ले लिया है, सो आई जस्ट ऐड अ टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी कॉपीड इट and I'll just paste it here. Crafted for the modern connoisseur, this watch is more than an I can't read. Accessory, it's a statement of heritage and innovation. This is up to you. You can do anything with it. Again, we will change its font color, obviously, because we have a black background. So yes, and it's done. अभी हम इसे एडजस्ट कर देंगे. Again, this is up to the user, up to you, how you want it to look. Actually, it's looking good. I don't want to adjust. Yes, so let's go further. This is looking good, but remember I told about the margin, so we have to make sure that we are following our margin. So we will drag it here, and I think I have got my margin here. Let us check. No, this is not still. So I will, yes, I guess this is my margin. Yes, and from here also we will take from this end of the hamburger menu, so it comes about here. Yes, and it's done. We have followed our margin. Next we will create our footer. So footer के लिए we will use some socials, like follow us on Instagram or Facebook. So for that we will use an element, and this part is very interesting. We will create Instagram का logo. So yes, keep watching. Again, you have to know what is Instagram का logo. I hope तुम सबको पता ही होगा क्योंकि we use it so much. Now I have removed the color. Next I'll add border. Done. Again बीच में एक सर्कल आता है, तो अभी मैं एक सर्कल डालूंगी. यस, इधर ही है ना. ब्राउन ही क्यों आ रहा है यार, ब्लैक आना चाहिए ना. अभी मुझे सर्कल का एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट अ सर्कल, इट्स अ पॉइंट जो ऑन दिस इंस्टाग्राम है ना. Again इसका color will be black. Yes, one more circle I need. I'll do this, or I can just duplicate it, so it's easier. ऊपर वाला मैं delete कर दूँगी. I'll take the center. We do not want corner rounding, नहीं चाहिए, stroke चाहिए हमको. We'll take the border, but we don't want the background. Yes, it is done. Guys, अगर आपको बैकग्राउंड सुनाई दे तो आई एम सो सॉरी. आई रियली कांट डू एनीथिंग फॉर दैट. हमें स्ट्रोक विड्थ बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. इट इज़ कमिंग सो पतला. Yes, this is good. Again for this also I will increase the stroke width. Yeah, क्या लग रहा है इंस्टाग्राम जैसे? Yes, लग रहा है. अभी हम सबको ग्रुप कर देंगे. What I'll do is I'll select a circle, I'll press shift, then I'll move my arrow, I'll press on another element. I have pressed shift, मैंने shift दबा के रखा है. Again अभी ये ऑप्शन अपने आप आ गया. I just click go. So what this helps me to move all the elements एक साथ. अभी मैं छोटा करूँगी बड़ा करूँगी तो वो ओ ये तो ऐसे हो गया. So that means हमें width कम करना पड़ेगा. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Again we'll go here, stroke width छोटा कर देंगे. Let's take 4 for now. Let's see what happens. ये तो रहने दो, इसका हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. ओके. हमें कर्व्स जो है ना उन्हें स्क्वायर रखना है. यस, एंड इट्स डन. अगेन मैं स्ट्रोक विड्थ बढ़ा सकती हूँ. आई कैन इम्प्रूव. 6 इज गुड. बट मुझे अंदर वाले सर्कल का भी मुझे स्ट्रोक विड्थ बढ़ाना है. सो आई जस्ट अगेन आई इंक्रीज इट to 6. Yes, and it's looking like our Instagram. Again मैं ये circle I will zoom it more and I will try to double click on it. तो मुझे पहले अनग्रुप करना ही पड़ेगा. ओके फाइन. I'll just double click on it and I'll move it a little bit here somewhere. Yes, it is good. Also अगर पास से देखो तो ये इसका कर्व्स जो है तो ये it's not looking like a square, right? But if I zoom out it is looking fine. So we'll see about this. Or I'll just go again and I can again increase or decrease its font. Yeah, I think 19 is good. So yes, हमारा इंस्टाग्राम बन गया है. अभी मैं एक टेक्स्ट लूँगी. Of course I'll write Instagram. Place it here. It's like a link. Okay, so this watch, they are giving link and हम इसको bold या will give some interesting feature to it, but I don't. Yes, this is also looking good. Okay fine, we'll stick with it. ऑल्सो ना ब्रांड्स के नाम लिखे रहते हैं. कभी कभी दे राइट इट इन द सेंटर और इन द साइड और ऑन दिस साइड. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल गो टू द हीरो सेक्शन. आई विल just copy this text or I can duplicate it, whatever you prefer. I prefer to copy if I have to go here and there. And then I'll add a text box. I'll paste it here. but I want the same style and everything. Also I want the same size. So I will go to three dots, I'll copy style. Next I won't click anywhere, and I'll just go here and done. Style is aligned. बट अभी इसका फॉन्ट मुझे ऑफकोर्स चेंज करना ही पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ ओके. आई विल गिव इट अ ब्लैक कलर एंड वी आर डन. वी आर गुड टू गो. अभी मुझे इसको मूव करना है. आई विल कीप इट इन द सेंटर. बट अभी मुझे ये भी मूव करना है. सो मैं इन दोनों को ग्रुप नहीं किया है मैंने, बस जस्ट पकड़ के रखा है. एंड आई मूव देम टुगेदर. यस, हम और सोशल्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट फॉर नाउ वी आर यूजिंग इंस्टाग्राम. I'll keep it थोड़ा आगे पास में. yes, line to give it a more clean look. I'll press on lines and मुझे मेरा line मिल गया है. so I'll bring it down to my footer. Color I'll change it. Obviously I have to change. I'll give it a grey wala color, and yes, here we go. And then I will extend it till the end of my page by pressing shift. This will help me to make my line straight. And yes, one of the things, I have already written some text box over here and here. Next we will add some element over here. So I'll go here, I'll take a shape, I'll give it white color, and then I'll write example.com, example@gmail.com. so it's like a newsletter. I'll reduce its size, I'll bring it down so that it looks like a good website. And yes, this is not looking very good, so we will make it a shade lighter. This is not visible, this is visible, this is okay. Gray is looking good. Yes, and now we will align it to this. We can also give some curve edges or ends. What I feel is कि we should add more socials. So let's just move it down here, and we'll add one more social called, let's say, Facebook. So our landing page is done. It is looking amazing, it is looking great, it is giving us the luxurious feel. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to practice more, you can take any topic of your theme and you can do it as well. Thank you so much.